Got a Gen 5 LT engine and a classic ride, but your factory oil pan just ain't cutting it? Don't sweat it, because Holley's LT Swap Engine Oil Pan is your answer. Holley's LT Swap Engine Oil Pan has improved clearance to the chassis and ground, so you can drop that Gen 5 LT engine without worrying about it getting crushed on a speed bump. The cast aluminum oil pan features OE style fitment, so you know it's built to last and won't leak. Holley's LT Swap Engine Oil Pan works great on the following vehicles: 67 through 92 Camaro Firebirds, 68 through 74 Nova, Apollo, Ventura, and Omegas, 78 through 87 G bodies, 64 through 72 A bodies, and 73 through 87 Chevy GMC full-size trucks. This pan can handle a crankshaft stroke of up to 4 inches and has OE style features like oil filter mounting, oil cooler port provision, and engine MVH suppression. It can be used anywhere a GM F-body oil pan can be used. Plus, you can outfit with an optional hinge door baffle if you're into racing. The kit includes a windage tray, sump baffle, OE style pickup tube, sump port plug, oil filter stud, and a billet oil passage cover. So if you want to swap your Gen 5 LT engine with some style and function, get yourself a Holley LT Swap Engine Oil Pan at holley.com.